Hi friends, I'm back with a Kashmiri recipe for you today. Let's make Nadru Yakhni. Nadru means lotus stem and Yakhni is the broth or the stock we get by boiling meats with the whole spices. And the vegetarian option is yogurt. You can boil yogurt with water and some whole spices added to it and you get the vegetarian Yakhni. So anything can be prepared with the Yakhni, meats or even the rice Yakhni pulao. So today let's make the Nadru Yakhni. Since Nadru or lotus stem is in season now, we are getting fresh ones. Let's make Nadru Yakhni. To make yakhni, you'll require half cup yogurt and 2 tablespoons of caramelized onion paste. I'm sharing the link below in the description box how to make it. And then lotus stem as required. I've taken 2 pieces, washed and scraped the skin out. And the other ingredients that we will require for the curry are black cardamoms 2, cinnamon stick 1 piece, fennel powder 1/4 teaspoon, ginger powder 1/4 teaspoon, cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon, ghee 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, Asafoetida 1 pinch, and mint powder 1/8 teaspoon. You can also see the detailed written recipe on my website. I'm sharing the link below in the description box. Now we are going to cut the lotus stem. Cut into thin slices. And then until you cook, immerse them in the water to keep them fresh. Now let's start cooking. Heat ghee in a pan. This curry tastes best only with ghee. Do not use oil for this. Add the black cardamom and cinnamon. Stir them until they give out an aroma. Now add the onion paste. Saute it a bit. This onion paste gives richness and makes the gravy thicker yakhni. Now time to add the lotus stem slices. Now this is done. Give them a good toss. Cover and simmer them. Keep stirring in between till the onion paste is dried up. Now add little bit of salt to taste. Then we are going to add 1 cup of water for the lotus stem to cook. Just cover it and simmer on low flame. Meanwhile, let us whisk the yogurt for the yakhni. Now here is a tip for you. Add little bit of flour and whisk it to avoid the curdling. This is an important tip. You can use it in all your other curries as well. So this way the yogurt will not curdle when you cook the curry. Let's check if the nadru pieces are done. You can do this by inserting a knife. So if they are not done, you can add little more water. And then again simmer it for few minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, they should be done. Once the water is dried up, little water is left. So they are cooked now. In a different pan, you heat the ghee. Now this is for yakhni. First we will cook the yogurt with spices and then combine the two together. We are adding the dry spice powders, Asafoetida, fennel, cardamom and ginger powders. Maintain low flame and stir them together. What a lovely aroma. The kitchen is filled with nice aroma coming from these spices. Now add the dry mint powder finally. And stir in the yogurt, whisked yogurt. Quickly with a spatula stir. Stir it continuously while it is being cooked. Maintain flame at medium and 1 minute should be okay for it to cook. This way you will get a nice smooth and thick yakhni. Add little bit of salt. Give it a good stir, and then now we are going to transfer this into the first pan. Now the yakhni is added. Give it a nice stir to mix everything. Check for the salt. It's done. Now you can adjust the gravy to your liking. If you want little more gravy, add little water. Now we are going to simmer it for a minute or so. Here we go. Yummylicious, flavorful Nadru Yakhni is ready to be served. Enjoy it with rotis or even Kashmiri rotis. You can dip them in the gravy and relish them. I hope you liked the recipe. Make it and enjoy. As it is the season for lotus stem, you are getting fresh ones in the market. So see you soon with a new recipe. Bye until then. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new uploads. Some of the videos from the archives you might have missed watching them, so you can check them out. Have a nice day.